On Thursday afternoon, a Riverside County Sheriff's deputy was fatally shot during a traffic stop in Jurupa Valley. This tragic event led to a high-speed chase across multiple highways, culminating in deputies killing the gunman in a dramatic shootout. Around 2 p.m., Deputy Isaiah Cordero conducted a traffic stop near the 3900 block of Golden West Avenue. As he approached the suspect's vehicle, the unimaginable happened. The gunman suddenly pulled out a weapon and shot Deputy Cordero. A witness immediately called 911. The suspect fled the scene shortly after. The search began after the murder of Deputy Cordero. The suspect was identified as William Shae Amador McKay, 44-year-old, who had a criminal history dating back to the 1990s, including kidnapping, robbery, and multiple assaults with deadly weapons. On November 8, 2021, McKay was found guilty of false imprisonment, evading police, criminal threats likely to result in death or serious bodily injury, and receiving stolen property. Under California's three strikes law, McKay should have been sentenced to 25 years to life in prison for his third felony conviction. Despite his violent past, he was released on lower bail, leading to this tragedy. At 3:07 p.m., a Beaumont police officer found McKay's vehicle on Interstate 15. A chase ensued when McKay refused to yield, leading to multiple attempts by law enforcement to stop him. A chase ensued when McKay refused to yield, leading to multiple attempts by law enforcement to stop him. On Highway 60, the gunman drove over the spiked strip but continued driving. When he arrived at Norco, his car began to smoke, the tires came off, and the axle broke, leaving the car immobile. At the Route 6 exit of Highway 15 in Norco, the suspect's vehicle was completely disabled. The suspect pickup truck was rammed and pinned by a SWAT armored vehicle. During the ensuing confrontation, the gunman fired at deputies. More than 10 officers were involved in the shootout, which ultimately resulted in death. Kill the gunman. Sadly, Deputy Cordero passed away from his injuries at Riverside Community Hospital. Isaiah Cordero was hired by the Riverside County Sheriff's Department in 2014 to work in the county's jails. He served at the Robert Presley Detention Center, Smith Correctional Facility, and Indio Prison before enrolling in the Sheriff's Academy in 2018. At the time of his death, Cordero was assigned to the Jurupa Valley Station as Deputy Motor Officer, a highly coveted position within the department. He was known as a joker and was considered a younger brother by his deputies. This tragic incident has sparked debate about stricter law enforcement against repeat violent offenders. Meanwhile, the community and law enforcement held memorial services to honor the sacrifice of Deputy Isaiah Cordero. Meanwhile, the community and law enforcement held memorial services to honor the sacrifice of Deputy Isaiah Cordero.